How are you, ladies and gentlemen? Good afternoon. Coming at you from Miami, Florida. From the fishing grounds of Miami, Florida. This is what we got. And yes, you're right. We are going fishing. We are going fishing for a BMW. Waiting for the traffic to move. And we'll be fishing a catfish BMW. I don't know how many pounds, about 4,000 pounds maybe. We should be able to get it. We should be able to get it. Hopefully it's not, I'm hoping it's not a 4MATIC. That way I could hook it up from the back, drag the fish out. So guys, I'll keep you posted. Remember, when you go fishing, be patient. Alright guys, man, I've been over here on Miami Avenue for the past 10 minutes trying to get to a customer. It's literally impossible, man. Literally impossible. Customer stays to the water. It's a BMW 5 Series, watered up to the doors. So hopefully I could get to the customer ASAP. And apparently the thing is right over there. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. I got a fellow tow truck operator behind me. I think he's going for another BMW. There's 2 BMWs in the water, man. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't drive your BMW. Don't drive your BMW. Leave it in the garage or whatever. Don't turn it on. Don't even go into the water. Get your BMWs away. BMW is no good. No good for flooding. Guys, so we finally arrived to the car. That's our vehicle we're picking up. Let's see how it goes. Let me get it. Stay in the car. What's going on, guys? So we are here in Miami, still rolling the wheels, picking up this is gonna be my 4th, 5th fish. Unfortunately, I gotta face the opposite way of traffic because this BMW is rear wheel drive and I already got a car on the bed. So sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.